Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Handmade by Gardina, and I'm going to show you my next design team project, and it is from Studio 28E. Sherry Smear is the owner of it, and it is the Gardens of Bluebells and Daisies journal kit, and then it is also the Blueberry Eco Dyed Papers kit number 2. So here is the kit. It's a TN size journal, so we have these beautiful flowers with the bees, and here's some small ephemera on the bottom, and on the back this is the blueberry eco dyed papers. So you get 8 of these, which I reprinted them over and over on the back. So we have some gorgeous blueberry eco dyed papers, which I wish I knew how to do the eco dye, and I don't know how. I'm going to have to learn because I love that eco dye. It's so pretty. So here we have 2 tags here at the bottom, and we have some daisies here and some bluebells here with some writing in the background. And here is the eco dyed paper on the back of this. Looks like there was a flower here because there's the center of it, and then a flower here because there's the center of it and the stem and leaves. Here we have our next page with some daisies here and here, and we have some small ephemera pieces here with some daisies down here and some bluebells here. And here is another page of the eco dyed of the blueberries, which I would say there was some blueberries through here is what it looks like. I'm not for sure. Here we have this beautiful girl here, and here it says Northern Queen, and we have the same 2 girls down here that you can cut out for ephemera. You have some writing paper here, some lined paper of some daisies in the middle. And here is the eco dyed on the back of it. She had some very beautiful eco dyed paper. This paper turned out gorgeous. I love it. Here we have some music paper in the background, some shoes, a shoe, and some daisies up here, butterfly and daisies here. Here we have some bees down at the bottom. Here's the eco dyed here with some green and blue. I just absolutely love this eco dyed. It is so pretty. Here we have Daisy written, and we have some people riding bicycles back in the early 1900s, possibly late 1800s, I would say. And some small ephemeras here, some hearts and ovals. The eco dyed on here, which is lighter, but it's still very pretty. Here we have some lined papers with the bluebells on this side and the daisies and other flowers faintly in the background here, and 2 tags here at the bottom. There's the eco print on that side. Here is the page for this, and it has daisy and bluebells here that you can either use as a label or as a pocket, either one. And that's the eco dyed on that, which it has a lot of green on that. Very pretty. Here we have some tags and some journaling cards here. There's that girl with the flowers in her hair, the same shoe and the butterfly, lots of daisies. Daisies were my grandmother's favorite flower. There's the eco dyed on that. There you can really see the leaves, of the outline of the leaves. Very pretty. And here we have an envelope, some tags, another tag here. eco print on that. So that is all the eco prints, which I did the eco prints on the other ones too. So here is another page. We have some kind of book page here, has some paper here and some flowers here. We have some small ephemera down here with some little daisies. Here we have a whole page of little bluebells, which you could write over top of this. Here we have some more lined paper and 2 tags. And here it says Daisy Bell bicycle built for 2, and a bicycle made for 2, Daisy Bell, Miss Kate Lawrence. Written and composed by Harry Dackery, sung by Miss Katie Lawrence. So it's a song called Daisy Bell. And we have, this could be, you could make 2 journaling cards out of this, or possibly even a belly band out of this, whichever that you prefer. Here you have Daisy and Bluebell here, some ephemera pieces down here, which this looks like rickrack that's been stitched. Daisies here and Bluebells here. Some rickrack here at the bottom. Daisies here at the bottom. The Daisy Song by Charles A. Ware. The Daisies and the Bluebells. Words by Jack R. Wright. Music by Dr. R. W. Gebhardt. The Daisy and the Butterfly. Music by Robert A. Kaiser. So those are songs. And then here you have what can be some belly bands. Here again you have Bluebell and Daisy with some ephemera at the top. And here you have 2 small journaling cards at the bottom with a bird here and daisies and bluebells down here. Here you have this beautiful page of flowers here. And here you have some ovals here. And, oops, sorry. Here you have another beautiful page of flowers here with some small ephemera here and some daisies through here. And here you have 2 pockets with bluebells and daisies, and then a tag with some bluebells on it and some blue rickrack. So that is our kit that we will be working on for our next design team project, and it is by Studio 28E, and it is called Gardens of Bluebells and Daisies Journal Kit. And then the background is Blueberry Eco Dyed Papers Kit number 2, and she also has Blueberries Eco Dyed Papers, and then that's all it's called, but it's her first kit, and it's just as pretty as kit number 2. So go to Studio 28E on Etsy, look at the kit. It's a gorgeous kit. It's a TN size. So that's, if you're looking for a TN size journal, that's what this is. And then she also has some more beautiful journal kits that you can go and purchase. And she's also been making some mushrooms from clay. So if you're doing a mushroom or a fall journal or something and looking for some clay mushrooms, go on her Etsy store and look around. She's been making those mushrooms quite a bit, and they are so cute. And I will link her Facebook group, which is Studio 28E Facebook group. I'll link it in the description box below, and her YouTube channel in the description box below, because she has her own YouTube channel, where you can check out how she has made some projects with some of these kits. And then I will link her Etsy shop below. So I hope you all like this, and we will do some projects with this kit as we go along making the journal. And then we'll do a flip through of the journal. And I'm like 80 some people away from 500 subscribers. So it'll either be this journal or possibly my next journal that I will give away for my 500 subscriber giveaway. So it's whichever I get to the 500 first of which journal I'll be giving away. We'll have to see. So thank you to all my subscribers, to all my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate you for subscribing to my channel, and hope you stay along with me. Hope you're here to have some fun and to be creative and get inspired. And to my current subscribers, thank you for putting up with me. Hope you get creative with me and stay inspired with me. And hope you all are staying safe and staying healthy. And keep on smiling. Smile for yourself. Pass along those smiles to others. And I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.